Hello my awesome friends and welcome to my home. My name is Fabio and today as the sun is setting, I thought about recording this introduction video to Sun Salutation. Sun Salutations or Surya Namaskar not only are amazing transitions that allow us to move from one pose to the next, but they're also a great way to warm up the entire body. They help us develop coordination and improve our strength and flexibility. And if we want to move deeper into a more philosophical aspect of it, Sun Salutations are really a way to show gratitude. It's a way to say thank you for the life I'm living. So if you're ready, hop into something comfy and let's learn this together. Alright my dear friends, so today we're gonna start at the top of our mat with our feet together or hip distance apart, and we're gonna take a few deep breaths there, maybe joining our hands at the heart, spreading our fingers nice and wide, closing our eyes, simply taking a few moments to connect to the ground through our feet and to grow tall all the way through our spine and out to the crown of the head. Start slowing down your breath, deepening the inflow and outflow of the air in your body, and start unwinding, allowing your mind to be free of unnecessary thoughts. As you breathe here, start feeling a sense of gratitude for all the wonderful things you have in your life. And whenever you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes, let the light shine through. Release your arms down. Take a big breath in as you lift your arms all the way to the sky. And exhale, lowering down to the middle line of your body, bringing energy within you. Once again, breathe in, lifting your arms up. And exhale, lowering down through the middle line of your body and down to the heart. One last time, big breath in. And out, release everything. Release your hands, stand up nice and tall, and then with your hands find your thighs and start tipping forward, keeping a flat back. You can go as far as you feel comfortable, but try to keep a straight spine. The neck is nice and relaxed. Maybe you can nod your head, yes or no, side to side. And with your next exhalation, breathe out all the air that you're holding in and place your hands a little bit further down, maybe below your knees or on the mat. Take a couple of breaths here and then bend your legs a lot and start rolling your spine all the way up, one vertebra at a time. This is a quick and easy warm-up we're doing here. Let's come up to standing. Once again, taking a big breath in, lifting the arms all the way up. This time as we exhale, we're going to fold all the way forward, starting our first salutation. Once you're there, exhale all the air you're holding in, and then on your next inhalation, bring the hands on the thighs, just like we did a moment ago. Try to flatten your back, so lifting up slightly, looking just in front of your mat, maybe straightening the legs a little more, and exhale as you release all the way down. Wonderful. From here you can bend your legs a lot, take a giant step back with your right foot and a giant step back with your left. Once you're there, lower the knees down. And just for a moment, sit back into your child's pose. You can use your hands as a pillow. Just rest there. With control, extend your arms forward. Shift your weight forward into your tabletop position. Maybe bring the knees a little bit further back and then lower all the way down on your belly. Adjust your hands just underneath the shoulders, tuck the elbows in. Take a big breath in and start lifting the chest off the floor. Maybe this is already a lot for you. And if that's the case, then you can lower down once again. Be active in the top of your feet, so the feet are pressing down, helping us engage and energize the entire pose. We're gonna take another big breath in, lifting the chest off the mat, and maybe also our belly. So we're gonna press a little bit further up. The neck is long. Exhale as you release down. Wonderful. You can repeat one of the previous versions, or maybe this time going a little bit deeper, lifting up the chest, the belly, maybe the hips, eventually the thighs as well. Exhale from wherever you are, shift your weight back and meet me in child's pose. Once again, using your hands to support the head. Take a couple of breaths there. In and out. On your next inhalation, once again we'll be extending our arms forward, shifting the weight forward into tabletop position. Tuck the toes under and peel the knees off the mat, sending the hips back into our first downward dog of the day. As you can see, I have a nice bend in my knees because we want to try keep a nice long spine. So we don't want the spine too round by pressing the heels down. Instead, we want to create length, allowing the energy to flow with ease. Start taking baby steps towards the front of your mat, towards your hands. And once you get there, take a big breath in to flatten your back, maybe coming up on your shins or your thighs. Nice inhalation. Exhale to fold. Beautiful. Press firmly in the ground with your feet. Take a nice breath in and lift all the way up. Arms reaching towards the sky. And exhale, release the hands down and beside you. Lower your hands, lower your shoulders. Reconnect to that sense of gratitude. Reconnect to the energy flow within your body. And now we're gonna go for a full salutation. So we're going to take a big breath in, lifting the arms up. Maybe joining the palms together, looking up towards the sky. As you exhale, fold forward, starting from your hips, releasing all the way down. Take a nice breath in as you flatten your back, looking forward. Exhale, fold a little deeper and take a nice step back with one leg and then the other. We're going to lower down. You can use your knees for support or you can try to lower in one piece. Lower all the way on your belly, point your toes, take a nice breath in as you lift up in your version of a back bend, one of the previous that we did earlier. As you exhale, tuck your toes under and shift your hips back into your downward dog. With that nice micro bend in the knees.
We'll be holding it here for 5 deep breaths. In and out through the nose. Each time allowing the back of the legs to release, the shoulders to open, connecting to our strength and flexibility, to our ability to change and evolve. And on your next exhalation, bend your legs a lot, look forward. Take a nice step forward or multiple steps forward with your right and then with your left. Big breath in for flat back. Exhale to fall down. And one breath to come all the way up. Maybe palms will touch. Exhale, release down. And we're gonna stop there with our hands at the heart. Slightly bowing our head towards our fingers, closing our eyes, celebrating such a unique and special journey for each one of us. And with that sense of gratitude in our heart, we're slowly going to release the pose. And there you have it, my friends. This is your sun salutation. You can repeat the same sequence for 5 times. You can give it a try, build up your strength. And if you do that, it will take about 20 minutes if you follow your breath. And I promise you will see amazing improvement. So come back to this video anytime you feel like you need to reconnect to that sense of gratitude. I really hope you enjoyed this sequence. Please let me know in the comments down below if you had any struggle or any question, or if there's anything that already has changed in your body or your mind. So share your journey with me. I will be so happy to reply, and I will see you all in the next video. Namaste.